Welcome to a Toony Blunt IBT practice listening test. You will hear a passage on the topic of the YouTuber Mr. Beast. After you have listened to the passage, you will answer a series of multiple choice questions. Please listen carefully and choose the best answer for each question. Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, is a popular YouTuber and philanthropist known for his extravagant stunts and large-scale giveaways. He rose to fame in the early 2010s through his comedic content and challenge videos, and has since amassed a massive following of over 130 million subscribers. One of Mr. Beast's most notable contributions to the YouTube community is his philanthropic efforts. He has been known to give away large sums of money to charity and to individual YouTubers in need, often through elaborate and creative challenges. In 2020, he donated $30 million to various charities and causes, including $3 million to small businesses affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Beast has also made a name for himself through his creative and often absurd challenges, such as giving away $1 million to random strangers on the street and spending 24 hours in a haunted house. He has also been known to make videos that center on social commentary, such as the effects of climate change. In addition to his philanthropy and stunts, Mr. Beast has also made a mark on the business world, with his company Mr. Beast Ventures launching in 2020. The company focuses on incubating and investing in early-stage startups. Despite his success, Mr. Beast has not been without controversy. Some of his videos have been criticized for being insensitive or for promoting dangerous behavior. Nevertheless, his impact on the YouTube community and his charitable efforts cannot be denied. Question 1. What is the real name of the YouTuber Mr. Beast? A. Jimmy Donaldson. B. John Smith. C. Michael Johnson. D. David Wilson. Question 2. How many subscribers does Mr. Beast have on YouTube? A. 30 million. B. 110 million. C. 130 million. D. 100 million. Question 3. What is one of Mr. Beast's notable contributions to the YouTube community? A. His philanthropic efforts. B. His comedic content. C. His sense of humor. D. His ability to make people laugh. Question 4. In 2020, how much money did Mr. Beast donate to various charities and causes? A. $10 million. B. $20 million. C. $30 million. D. $40 million. Question 5. What is the name of Mr. Beast's company launched in 2020? A. Mr. Beast Ventures. B. Mr. Beast Inc. C. Mr. Beast LLC. D. Mr. Beast Corp. Question 6. Has Mr. Beast ever been criticized for some of his videos? A. Yes. B. No. C. Sometimes. D. It depends on the video. Copyright 2023 by ToonyBlunt.com.